This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Gold Coast, to the tranquil, tree-lined Astor Street, just a block from Lakeshore Drive, to tour one of the apartments at the beautifully updated Astor House. I'm in a southwest corner, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, in a very generously sized living room with a separate dining area, and I'm approaching one of the very best kitchens you're going to see in any rental apartment in Chicago. Just an absolutely stunning amount of cabinet and counter space. Breakfast bar island that easily seats 4. You have designer fixtures. There's a rinse spray on the faucet, soap dispenser, undermount stainless steel sink. You have a slide-out trash drawer, small wine rack, crown moldings above the cabinetry. Just a really unusual kitchen. This is where you would have entered, and there's a wide coat closet. Plank flooring extends throughout the unit. You have an undermount oven here, a separate microwave oven, dishwasher, of course. Great sunset views out to the west. Heading toward the bedrooms. Looking at the guest bath. Tile on all the walls extends up to the ceiling. There's a rain shower head, a soaking tub, drawers for storage, front-loading washer dryer. Second bedroom, larger than you're going to find in many of the downtown high-rises. Unit overall has great closet space. There are closet organizers. And then this large master bedroom suite. Windows facing south out toward the skyline. A slimmer view of Lake Michigan, which is just a block to the east. It's a great sized room. Wide walled closets. Master bath. Porcelain tile, all 3 walls. Frameless glass door on the shower. 2 banks of drawers for storage. Again, designer mirror framing and fixtures. Astor House has an attractive suite of amenities. The rooftop pool and party room. Great views. New fitness room. Stylish new lobby. Everything has undergone a complete makeover here. And it's one of the communities that you really have to have on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.